And so special thanks to this company for sending us their kitchen timer. Good for exercise, good for kitchens, games, etc. Little look around the box. And let's get this plastic off and take a look at it. So here's our plastic thing off. And then it should slide. Got tape, hold on. Cut. Now we can take it off, and got a nice little guide here. I love how little this guide is. In a couple different languages telling you about it. Got a little bit about tips, charge it first, then the actual timer, and then inside of this, that's it for the box. Is an included USB-C type cable for charging this up, and so this is the kitchen timer. Very unique. Look at that. So there's your USB-C port for charging it. Looks like that's kind of your speaker. I like the little design. It looks like when you'd set a timer, it would kind of count down and tell you. Yeah, look at that. That's minutes, do some seconds. Very interesting. That is essentially this timer. Really like the look of it, the feel of it. It's really interesting and cool. And of course, you can find all the information you need about setting it and using it inside of this. But that's what it looks like. Nice, tiny kitchen timer. Love it. And I can say the screen is actually much brighter than it seems. In person, I can see it very well. It does not show up so well in the camera. Don't know why. But it also needs to be charged as well. That should do it for this little kitchen timer. Thanks again to Ticktime for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.